I have a question for you. When was the last time you had your HVAC inspected or had maintenance performed on your air conditioning units? Well, if you don't maintain your system, you may be needing a repair sooner than you expected. Unless your HVAC units are maintained, you're overworking your air conditioning system. You might have noticed that your electric bill keeps growing and growing higher and higher every month. To ensure the HVAC system functions effectively and efficiently throughout the years, you really need to perform regular maintenance on your air conditioning's filters, coils, and fins, and have a yearly system inspection performed by a qualified HVAC professional. Replacing or cleaning air filters is one of the most important parts of keeping your air conditioning system running at peak efficiency. Make sure that your air filters stay clean year-round by cleaning them or replacing them every month. If normal airflow is obstructed, air that bypasses the filter can carry dirt directly to the evaporator coil, and this is costly in many ways. Your air conditioner's evaporator and condenser coils collect dirt over the months and years of service. This dirt reduces the airflow and acts like an insulation on the coil, which reduces its ability to dissipate heat, reducing your unit's ability to cool your home properly. The evaporator coil should be checked every year and cleaned as necessary. Outdoor condenser coils can become dirty if the outdoor environment is dusty or there's foliage nearby. You can easily see the condenser coil and notice if dirt is collecting on its fins. A major waste of energy occurs when you have leaky ductwork. 10 to 30% of your cooling dollars are wasted because the average central air conditioning system's cooled air escapes through leaks in the ductwork. The ducts must be airtight. Leaky ducts are difficult to find without experience and professional testing equipment. So hiring a competent professional service technician to detect and correct duct leaks is a good investment. That's why you need to call the pros, the air repair pros. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. With almost 40 years of service to the North Dallas area, you can trust the air repair pros to fix it right the first time. So pick up your cell phone right now and call the pros, the air repair pros. You'll be really glad that you did. I promise.